Hello, my name's Suzanne Natbony, and I'm an attorney located in California, and today I'm going to talk to you about lawsuits. Clients, potential friends, family members, even random people at the gym who know I'm a lawyer frequently ask me if they should sue someone or a company because of a claimed wrongful act, such as taking money and failing to perform the terms of a contract, getting injured on a property, a botched medical procedure, food poisoning, or being misled, you name it. I have been asked about someone's legal rights pertaining to everything from a dog bite to revenge porn even. While people may want a simple yes or no, you should sue or no, you shouldn't, the analysis that goes into this consideration based on years and years of practice and law school, plus four key factors of the specific case, cause many lawyers to refer to the evaluation as the 4 C's of case evaluation. You must have the following 4 components to a case before even thinking of pursuing a claim successfully. Number 1, claims. Do you have valid legal causes of action that can actually sue and possibly win if filed? Each claim must have the elements fulfilled. For example, if it's a personal injury, which involves a claim for negligence, you have to have the 4 elements of negligence: duty, breach, causation, and damages. Even if you have all those 4 factors, your claims must be better than the other person's. If your claims will not counter the other party's possible claims or defenses, the litigation might not be worth it for you to initiate. You have to ask, will there be counterclaims or defenses to make a lawsuit not worth it? Then there's number 2, compensability. Can you even get compensation, which is provable money damages or other meaningful remedies, given the harm caused? Suppose a company made a mistake, but that mistake didn't cost you anything, such as when an airline loses your bag for several hours, causing you no financial loss besides frustration. The airline might have been negligent and you might win on a negligence claim, but is it worth the time, money, and energy to sue? You should ask, how much money have you lost? Are they compensable? Suing in civil court can cost thousands of dollars. Small claims court might cost a few $100, but it can take hours and hours of time to fill out the paperwork, find a process server, figure out how to serve the person, get ready for court, perhaps redo paperwork and sit there for hours and then have to come back. It can go on and on. The damages could be difficult to quantify, and you may want what's called equitable relief, such as an injunction, which is an order to do or stop doing something. For example, if someone threatens you, you may just want a temporary restraining order to keep him or her away. If someone has misappropriated your name or are using an image of yours without your permission, maybe you want an order for them to cease and desist instead. So now we're at number 3, corroboration. Do you have evidence, witnesses, or experts to testify, to corroborate your story and help you prove your case? You usually must have a written contract if you're trying to show breach of contract. An oral agreement is much harder to prove. If it's a product's liability case, you need to prove that it was the product that caused the damage and possibly be able to do testing on that product. If it's medical malpractice, you'll need an expert to testify that it falls beneath the standard of care, and you should expect the other side to bring its own expert. So finally, 4, collectability. Will you be able to collect if you win? Does the person you're suing have sufficient accessible assets? And even if so they do, how difficult will it be to collect from that person? If you have to take the matter to collections, or if the person might file bankruptcy, you have an issue. So you need to think it through. If you don't have positive answers to the 4 components that I just mentioned, you should strongly consider not moving forward, not wasting your time, money, paying for my legal services or another legal person's services, and energy. Even if you have all of the positive answers, be aware that there are many other risks to consider. You could have all of the above, and your case could be decided by a judge who is in a bad mood. I'm actually serious about this. Or you could get a jury that doesn't like you, and then you can lose anyway. So I made this video because like I said, people constantly ask me about this question, and I urge you to watch and carefully consider this video, maybe several times before you decide that you want to sue. Thank you. Now that I'm off my soapbox, my background is in business law with a broad range of experience that runs from contract drafting to resolving disputes. I deal with all of the legal issues that businesses encounter. I have worked at law firms and in-house for several startups. My focus is on helping clients grow their business. If you'd like to learn more, visit my profile on LinkedIn or LawTake.com or SuzanneNatbony.com. I'm co-founder of LawTake, and I created several videos on that website as well. You can also email me at Suzanne@lawyer.com if you have additional questions about suing. As someone who's felt terrible over injustice, I can relate to what you're going through and offer unique legal advice and experience with resolving disputes. Before you break down and sue, call Suzanne to the rescue. My mom helped me come up with that.